Hi, this is Andre with the Crypto Ball, and today we're going to be talking about one of the craziest things to happen in Q4 of this year for digital assets, and that is the implementation of the Metaverse. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Andre, the Metaverse isn't new. We've had Decentraland and, the Sandbox for some time, but some things have happened which are bringing them into the spotlight, and I wanted to bring them up to you. But before we get into that, I'm dressed up like a fortune teller. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you understand what you're investing in. It's not my responsibility to make sure that you don't lose. So make sure that you do it yourself. Without any further ado, let's go into why I think that these assets may be worth looking at in quarter four of this year. So first things first, for those that don't know, what is the Metaverse? They say that it's a world inside VR, and I suppose that is it's a virtual environment. But I think that the metaverse that we need to be looking at in terms of investors is not necessarily a virtual environment, right? VR has been out for a long time, and it's still evolving every single day. And VR is amazing, as you can see. I love VR, but we need to be focusing specifically on VR that has to do with digital assets. And anything else that doesn't have to do with digital assets is essentially noise, right? This isn't an entertainment channel per se. This is an investment channel, right? We're talking about potential investments. I'm talking about my opinion on these investments, not financial advice. Stop it. Don't even think about it. But really, this is a channel about finance. So we need to really focus on the metaverse as it relates to digital assets and things of that sort. You may be asking, why am I wearing this cap? It's because I had my VR on for the thumbnail. So let me just go ahead, take that right off. But yeah, just in general, Facebook is bringing these metaverses into the spotlight. And that is with good reason. If they're going to build some type of entertainment platform, which they already have, right? Facebook creates the Oculus. This is the number one selling VR headset right now. And it's the main one that does so with wireless capacity and capability. And Facebook maintains and makes these, the whole platform, which, is the majority of VR headsets that are sold right now. So Facebook has already put themselves in a position where they can create content in a way that no one else can. And so them changing their name to Meta and really pushing digital assets in terms of their virtual environment is a really big deal. And I think that people should pay attention to this because, as I said, they produce the number one headset right now. And they're well on track to actually make some crazy things happen, where I think that some of these other platforms really didn't have an opportunity to do so. But with Facebook leading the way, I think that they can gain some evaluation. So let's go through and let's take a look at some of my biggest ones here. Decentraland. Decentraland Mana is the number one metaverse cryptocurrency right now. Number 37 in market cap. It's pretty big. The thing is, most of this evaluation, as far as I can tell, is from this week alone. So this was 80 cents or so a week ago. Now, it's $2.97 with a high of over $4. The market is just full of euphoria right now, and we really need to find a way to capitalize on this euphoria. And so I'm waiting on retracements for all of these assets so that I can make a well-informed purchase and set some positions in these. I really don't think that metaverse coins are going to perform poorly, right? If Facebook does what they want to do, the rest of these coins will follow suit, right? A leader coming in and leading the pack means that others have to follow. And with that being said, I think that these coins were always undervalued, right? You can actually go into Decentraland right now and participate in events and do things on that platform. But until previously, it was just completely undervalued because, not too many people were actually using it. Now that Facebook has ramped up, you can see that this has also ramped up, and their market cap is 5 billion. They could do a lot with 5 billion. If investors are interested in investing with Facebook, then other investors will be interested in investing in the competitor to Facebook. And I think that there's going to be a lot more events, a lot more investors, and a lot more speculation and euphoria on these meta coins, at least until the end of Q4 or the end of this bull run. So make sure that you guys are keeping an eye out on these because I think that these are assets driven by euphoria and speculation, right? Are we really thinking that Decentraland or some of the other projects that I have mentioned here are going to have, crazy growth of their platform in the next 2 months? I actually do. I actually think that with people looking at Facebook and, the way that they're putting so much effort into Meta, it will bring more eyes onto these projects. And with more eyes and more speculation mixed with this euphoria in the market, I really do think that off of retracement, these are going to be great investments. That's not financial advice. That's just my personal opinion. And you feel free to disagree with me in the comments. But just like blockchain gaming became a new sector in the cryptocurrency space within the last 3 months, I think that Metaverse coins or coins that interact with the Metaverse in a very unique way are also going to see massive evaluations, and that's indicative of what we're seeing in the market. And so we really have to pay attention. So, in terms of Decentraland, I think that Decentraland is up 268% this week. Let's take a look at my second choice, Sandbox. The Sandbox has something very unique going for it, and let me just bring it up really quickly here. Ubisoft. Ubisoft has backed the parent company of the Sandbox. And yeah, while this is, early stage research and development, it goes to show that big companies are looking at the cryptocurrency markets for an edge. And right, that's what we're looking for also as investors. We're looking for an edge, right? We're looking for something that is going to create price action on these volatile investments that we can take some profit on. And when we are trying to discern what are good investments, we should really be looking at, things with a low market cap that's volatile and has high upside, right? I already have my basis coins. I already have my fundamental coins that everyone should have, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, things like that. I've already built out my layer ones and my kind of other speculative plays. For those of us that are looking to build out a portfolio into new sectors in the market, I would definitely recommend these Metaverse coins just based off of this principle alone, right? We have gaming and VR companies looking to this space to gain that type of edge, and the market is responding heavily. This was 80 cents. This was 80 cents a little week ago. What is it at now? Let's take a look. Yep. So it's up 153% on the 7-day. So, I mean, it's just really phenomenal, the type of growth. And it's crazy. CoinMarketCap should really make it so that if I click the 7-day, it shows me the percentage for the 7 days. Anyway, it's crazy how these are gaining value just based off of the speculatory nature of such a big behemoth in technology coming into this space in such a massive way. And I really don't want any of my viewers to minimize this because it really goes to show the euphoria in the market, how people are thinking about cryptocurrency, and how many people are willing to participate in a speculatory nature over these assets which are already volatile. And this is great for us. If you can pick up Sandbox on retracement, like down here, this would have been a great purchase, right? Because now there's just so much speculation leading off of this type of news, I think that this will continue to accrue value as Facebook comes out with more information and progress regarding its metaverse. And it's changed its name to Meta. They already have the top performing VR headset. They already know what their customer base is looking for. They've been doing this for a multitude of years. There is going to be progress in this way. So I'm thinking, a proper way to really capitalize on it is to set positions on retracement as soon as you feel comfortable. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm going to do. Here's another one. This is Ceek VR. This is like top 400 on CoinMarketCap. I'm not even going to look for it, but just know it's up 500% this week. It pulled this coin got pulled out of general obscurity and is rocketing to success. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this as a top 200 coin just based off of the speculatory nature of the market in general. So make sure that if you guys are past your basics, Ethereum, Bitcoin, layer ones, if you fulfilled your large caps, went down into your small caps, I would definitely think to make some progress building out a portfolio of coins for the metaverse so that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Just because the gains kind of remind me of meme coins, right? A lot of euphoria, a lot of speculativeness, and backed by who's going to be the top competitor to Facebook, right? Because Facebook's metaverse isn't a metaverse for the people, right? Anybody that knows Facebook knows that it's Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse, and we would just happen to be in it. It really doesn't fit to the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency, but here on the channel, we're here for profits. I'm willing to invest in the competitors of that meta, and I'm willing to invest in the meta. If they're as serious about decentralized finance as they say, I totally expect Facebook to come out with a cryptocurrency to be utilized in their metaverse, and I will definitely invest in that. So I just wanted to really touch on these because this price action is absolutely nutty on these metaverse coins. I wanted to bring it to your guys' attention so that you guys don't miss out. Decentraland is on retracement right now. All of these coins are on retracement, but history repeats itself, and I definitely think that we have some upcoming news when it comes to the Facebook metaverse. And any news for the Facebook metaverse is going to mean price action for these competitors that are actually in a decentralized way on the blockchain. So if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know more about Decentraland, Sandbox, and Ceek, we'll try and put that in the link in the description. But yeah, let me know if you guys know any other VR cryptocurrency or digital assets. Put them in the comments. I would love to know about them. I don't think that this sector of cryptocurrency is going to be going away anytime soon. And I think that as we go into explosive blow off top Q4, that you may want to hold these assets or at least take a look at them. But with no further ado, I'll let you guys go. I'm Andre with the Crypto Wall. See you guys later.